Hi, my name is Varun Kapoor. I'm the director of Kapco International Limited. We are a contract manufacturer having four factories in India. We manufacture all kinds of personal care, hair care, skin care, and makeup cosmetics. We just launched new categories this time at the show, some new technologies which are first time in India, like the plastic aerosol, and we have launched some hair colors. That's the new category which we have just launched in CMPL this year. So basically, we are a contract manufacturer, and we want to stay on the other side of the table, which is very important. So we will never have our own brand because we don't want to compete with our own customers. That's one thing which is embedded in us, and we are going to continue having that strategy. Yes, this is our fourth time exhibiting at CMPL Expo, and the venue, first of all, is one of the best venues in Mumbai and in India, I would say. And the way the whole show has been organized by Mr. Vicky and Gaurav sir is amazing. And I mean, the kind of clientels we get, the quality of people is fantastic. We got connected with a lot of, earlier we were only doing D2C, but at the last year CMPL Expo, we got connected to the big brands like the MNCs. Not good to name them, but yes, so we got a very good contact at the CMPL last year.